Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am very excited because I have an amazing unboxing for you guys today. This is a bag that I had on my radar and have been wanting it for a very long time, but was never available ever. And although I wasn't planning on getting anything this soon, I mean, I just unboxed my birthday bag not too long ago, and I did want this bag, but I wasn't planning on getting it this soon. But I ended up finding it. It was never available. It always said, notify me or call for availability. They never had it. So when I happened to look one day and it was on there, I had to just jump on it. And I am so excited because it is here. I think I bought it sometime last week, and the UPS man just delivered this. So I am thrilled and I can't wait to unbox it. I haven't even opened the box yet, you guys. You know, I like to do these unboxings with you. I'm gonna go ahead and set it here on my lap, and let's get into it because I cannot wait to see it. And I've heard that this scratch is pretty easy, and I hope that that is not the case because I really do want to love this bag and keep it forever. It is my first reverse monogram piece. I'm kind of already giving it kind of somewhat away. I have seen some of you that own this video. I have been seeing your videos on your bag, and I know you love it. And I've always loved this bag ever since I first saw it and it first came out. And I am so thrilled that I found one. So, you know, I did see this bag on the pre-love market, and it was always like really, really overpriced all the time. So I didn't want to pay that. And, you know, I said if I ever run into this piece on the site or at a more closer to the retail price, I want it. So that's exactly what happened, and I am really excited, you guys. So this is how it came, and it says Louis Vuitton, and gorgeous, you guys. I'm so excited. I think Oksana has this bag, and so does my beautiful friend from Accounting for Fashion. Not really sure. I don't really remember her name right now. I'm sorry, babe. I don't remember your name. I know your channel is Accounting for Fashion, and I am struggling to get this box out of here, and I don't want to tear it. But I'm sorry, I just made a big old noise and let that just fall down. This is the box right here. Beautiful, beautiful box. And we are going to, here's my receipt. And I hope I have my lighting good so you guys can see this. I wanted to unbox it as soon as I got it, but I was busy doing stuff around the house, and I thought, well, I'll unbox it hopefully before the lighting doesn't go away, because I hate when the lighting, when it gets real dark in here and then you can't really see it. Yay! I am so excited, you guys. Are you ready? Oh, it's little. It's small. It's not as big as the box. Okay. Let's put the box away. Here it is, you guys. Here is my new beautiful bag to reveal my first monogram piece in the gorgeous, gorgeous Dauphine bag. Oh my gosh, you guys. Beautiful, beautiful. Now this doesn't have a plastic sticker here. I don't know if that, does that mean it's a return, you guys? I don't know, but there, I don't see anything wrong with it. If it is, this is the part that I've heard that gets scratched quite a bit, and I hope it doesn't, because I don't want to, I hate bags I have to be super careful with. Of course, I'm always careful with my bags. Oh, it's got a great magnet right here. If I'm taking a while, guys, it's because I want to make sure this is new. I saw one not too long ago on the pre-love market, but it was brand new, and it had, like, I know it had a sticker. Oh, I love that. You hear that magnetic closure? It had like a sticker tape right here, which, you know, I don't know. This one didn't come with that, but it looks brand new. I don't see any scratches on it, you guys. Isn't she absolutely gorgeous? Oh my gosh. Let's open her up. It's got a magnetic closure. She comes with 2 straps. This is one of the straps right here. Oh my gosh. Beautiful brown. And this, you know, you can unsnap it and adjust it and make it longer if you want to have a longer strap. I really like the closure, you guys. It just kind of finds its way shut. So sorry, I'm all like looking at it. This is my favorite part, and you know I love bags with them. There's the little cards that it comes with. Oh my gosh, this is very roomy, you guys. Look how big this is. It's kind of like a little bit of an accordion style. Has beautiful glazing on the sides. I'm wondering if this is new, you guys. Well, this has got the sticker here. This has the sticker right there. And I believe this does too. I think, I can't even tell. Yeah, this has the sticker too. The only thing that didn't come with the sticker was this front piece right there. But it has this, it's got like, it looks kind of like the pochette métis on the inside. And then this is the back of it, no back pocket. It's a great size, great size. I love this size. And oh my gosh, you guys. I am so excited about this bag. The reverse is absolutely beautiful. Here, you know what I really like is that it's super roomy. This is way bigger than my Victory and way bigger than the Métis, so I really like that. It has a zipper compartment here in the middle. Nice, beautiful microfiber black lining. Back here, it's got a slip pocket. Slip pocket right there in the back. Big, nice, roomy compartment. Zipper compartment here in the middle, and then a real big compartment here. Love, you guys. I am in love with it. And I will be inspecting it a lot more closely when I'm off camera, just to make sure all the glazing and everything is in perfect condition. You know, you spend so much money on these bags, they have to pretty much be perfect. So this is the chain, and it's absolutely beautiful, you guys. Look at that. Oh my God, and it's heavy. Ooh, I love it. So let's put it on the bag. And you know, I've had a lot of people say that they'll wear it as a chain. They'll wear it, I couldn't wear this as a belt. I don't know why I feel like somebody said they could wear it as a belt, but there is no way this is going around my waist. That is tiny. But anyway, it is a beautiful accessory for this gorgeous bag, and I don't want to scratch it, but I want to put it on it because I think that is what sold me, was this beautiful chain. You know what I think about chains, you guys. Look at this. She the prettiest bag ever, or what? Look at that, you guys. I absolutely love it. And people will wear it like this with that hanging down, and then they'll wear this strap on it as well. So let's see what that looks like too. I love it. I am excited. It is beautiful, you guys. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I don't like this. I think it goes like this. The other way. It's little tricks to it. But I am very excited, you guys, and very happy that I got a hold of this bag. I think I will use it quite a bit. It's very, very roomy, but at the same time, it's roomy, but it's not like gigantic. You know what I mean? It's not enormous. Oh, it smells so good. It's not enormous, but it's gorgeous. And I really love the reverse monogram. I did not own anything in reverse monogram, and I love it. It has beautiful gold hardware throughout. See that right here? This gorgeous, like a brown camel, dark camel. I don't know what color that is, but that is gorgeous. See that? And I really do love this magnetic closure, because it'll totally find its way shut. See? Love that. Really love that. And I love this gold chain. Oh my gosh, you guys. This gold chain's probably my favorite. I think if I wear it, I want to do some mod shots for you guys, but I'll have to adjust my camera here and scoot this back maybe. But here it is, and this is where it lands on me. Here is my, let's push it over a little. Sorry guys, but I want to give you a good of where it fits. It fits right about here. And then I think if you want to wear this without the chain, and just, I mean, there's a longer way to wear it, of course. I'm not going to do all that right now. There's several ways to wear this bag, so I really think I'm going to love that. There's that. And here's if you want to just wear it with the chain. It's right there. Isn't that just absolutely beautiful, you guys? I am extremely happy that I have this, and it is absolutely stunning. It's beautiful. I love it. The stitching on it, everything looks perfect. Like I said, I'm gonna inspect it a little further. It's a little bump right there, but I think that's okay. I'm not one to put my bags on the floor, so my corners hardly ever get any wear on them, because well, of course I do set them on the table, so any kind of wear it would be from that, because that's the only time that I would set my bag down. So anyways, thank you so much for sharing this with me, you guys. Sharing this moment with me. I am thrilled to finally get a hold of this bag. It was between this and the Pochette Métis and the reverse monogram. Now that I have this, I don't think I want the Pochette Métis anymore, unless I was to find it retail on the store, which is never, it's never available. But if I did, I would probably get it. If I have to get it on the pre-love market and spend a whole lot more, I probably won't, because it's just too ridiculously overpriced. But this I am happy to have acquired, especially because I bought it from the boutique, from the website, and it's absolutely stunning, and I am thrilled to have this bag. So thanks again for joining me, and we will see you again on my next video. Have a great rest of your day and have a great week. Bye-bye.